Next thing, I got off the plane, straight up Brixton Hill, straight into a crack house.
After doing how much? How long?
That was 6 months there. But I mean, it was the power of the addiction. I collapsed and by my bed because it was that powerful, and it just was shit. And I crawled outside. I said, "Oh, get the fucking rain out like that." I needed it was raining just to cool me down. I thought, "You've got to get outside because you can't. You just got to move." So I got up and got out of the flat, went downstairs and just walked around the block for about 15 minutes. And I just started to come round and started to feel better, but I was all over the shop. Made my way back in the flat, sat down on the bed again, started to feel good, breath. Started to breathe and kind of start to feel okay.